Hello folks, I wanted to tell you about the Skydio drone. I just received it a couple of days ago. I'm not going to do an unboxing because, well, you've probably seen it. Here's the drone. It's rather large, and as you've probably heard, it doesn't fold down. It doesn't, do any of that stuff. But it's pretty amazing, actually. It's, it's not that heavy. Oh, and I also ordered the backpack, which is definitely something I would recommend because it fits in there nicely. It's got a bunch of pockets for all the stuff. It does come with 2 batteries. The battery is actually really easy to pull out. You just pull it out. It's in there magnetically. And there's a little gizmo on the top here for steadying the gimbal. I would highly recommend you keep that. So I've only had a chance to fly it a couple of times, actually more than a couple of times, but anyways, I found a few things to be a little weird about it. So it doesn't seem to like shadows. I'm going to attach a couple of videos that I took onto this video where you can see a little kid, my nephew, running around, and you can see him run around a tree. The drone loses him, and then it proceeds to think the tree is him. So it circles the tree a few times, and then when I try to steer it over, when I try to select him, he's in the shadows, and I have a hard time selecting him. I have to get it really close, or I have to get him into the light. So it seems to have an issue with shadows. Other than that, it seems to follow pretty well. I ran across the street and went through a few trees, and not a huge test, but it seems to fly pretty well. The actual controls for flying the drone, I can't show them to you because I'm using the phone. They're okay. The manual flying, it definitely takes some practice. It's not very intuitive. It's like a, I don't know what you call it, a thumb joystick. It's a circle, and it's got 2 arrows on the side, and so you have to put your thumb over and then to the side at the same time. It takes some practice, so I'm learning how to fly this thing. So anyways, so far I like it. I think it's well built. I think it does a pretty decent job at avoiding things, and I think the results of the cinematography are actually pretty good. Considering that the lighting in the videos that you're going to see is rather poor and stark, it actually, I think, does a pretty good job. So I will post another video when I have some time to do some real testing. I'm going to try and see if I can get this thing to follow my dog. And if I can, then I'll put that video up so you guys can see that. Anyways, if you have any questions, or if you bought one, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.
Watch for cars.
Keeping up with him. Nice job.
Watch for cars.
Keeping up with him. Nice job. Okay.